Hello, my name is Habib, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Audi.
This is the brand new Audi Q7 Black Edition. This model has a 55 TFSI engine, Tiptronic gearbox and quattro 4-wheel drive system, while it's finished in the optional metallic Mythos Black paintwork. Under the bonnet you'll find the turbocharged 3-litre V6 petrol engine, producing 340 PS and delivering 0 to 60 in just 5.9 seconds, while also delivering an impressive top speed of 155 miles per hour. Starting at the front of the car, we have the striking matrix LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Around the side we have the 21-inch, 10-spoke star design alloy wheels, while there's black door mirrors, window trims and roof rails for a sleek yet stylish look, with the rear privacy glass ensuring extra security for your rear seat passengers. Around the back we have LED rear lights with dynamic indicators, as well as a power-operated tailgate, allowing easy access into the 295-litre boot space, which can be extended by folding the rear seats down to 865 litres, so you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture, but fold down the second row of seats and there's 2050 litres, so you can add in those even larger items, such as a bike if you'd like. Additionally, we have the optional folding tow bar, which can activate via the buttons in the boot, and it's perfect for those long road trips, as you can tow those larger items, such as a caravan or even a bike rack if you'd like. Moving inside, you'll find Volcano leather upholstered rear seats with the integrated ISOFIX child seat mounting points, while there's a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, as well as storage nets behind the front seats, climate control and power sockets. In the front you'll find a flat-bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel and grey polished oak inlays, while there's Volcano leather upholstered front sport seats, which are not only plush but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while they're electrically adjustable and include the 4-way electric lumbar support, as well as memory function for the driver's seat. Ahead of you you'll find the 12.3-inch virtual cockpit with various display options, including DAB digital radio, telephone command for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, while a flick view can change the size of those dials. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch MMI navigation plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB digital radio, media controls for your connected device, telephone command for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping. There's Audi smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media via wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the predefined modes, with our personal favourite being dynamic as it's most driver focused. There's the optional extended LED interior lighting pack, not only with predefined colour modes, but also 30 different colour options, so you can customise the interior to your preference, while additionally we have the optional 360-degree camera system with various views of the front, rear and side, including front and rear dynamic guidelines and 3D views for the extra reassurance when parking or navigating through tight spaces, while there's also the optional park assist function, not only assisting with parking your car, but also unparking your car. Lower down you'll find the display for the 4-zone climate control with plenty of adjustment to your preference, while there's heated front seats for the added benefit on those cold winter mornings.
This vehicle will come with a minimum of 3 years manufacturer's warranty, 3 years roadside assistance and much more. For more information, please contact us on 01772 911 331 or inquire online now.